Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious and very colorful stir-fry beef spaghetti. I hope you will enjoy watching this video and try making one too. So yeah, all the ingredients I'll be using for my recipe. All the ingredients I used will be in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. And today, after cooking, we are going to be doing a tasting too. So after this cooking, we are going to be doing a mini mukbang, I would say. So do not forget to watch that. Please do watch till the end. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Julia and you are welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, you all are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to my videos. You are welcome. And yeah, if you are not yet subscribed, please do so, and do not forget to share my video. Give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. I will really appreciate that. Thank you all. This meal is so easy to make and you'll be done in no time. And for my bell peppers, I'm using different colors, but you don't have to do that. Use any color that you want. It's just fine. I like using different colors for flavors because each of the bell peppers, they have different flavors. Yes, I don't know if you've noticed that, but they do have different flavors. And I would say the green pepper is more flavorful. That's what I would say. I don't know about you because we all taste differently. Exactly. Yes. After dicing the vegetables, I'm just going to be adding vegetable oil on my pan. You can use any oil of your choice, coconut oil, anyone you prefer to use. At times I do use coconut oil, I like the flavor it gives it, but today I'm just using vegetable oils. You can use olive oil too if you want, but I wouldn't advise that you use butter because butter tends to burn fast, so I won't advise you use butter. And then I just added my spices, my curry, my powder stock, salt, and rosemary. I love rosemary in my meat, in any kinds of protein I'm using. I love rosemary. It goes very well. But you can use any spice of your choice, like I said. And after that, I'm just going to be boiling water to cook our spaghetti. Yes, and in my boiling water, I did add salt and some oil so that the spaghetti won't stick together. Yes, when you add oil, the spaghetti, they don't stick together. And I'm just going to be cooking the spaghetti for just 8 minutes. Yes, just 8 minutes because I don't want it to be too soggy or that too soft. So we're cooking it for just 8 minutes. You can decide to break your spaghetti into two if you want. At times I do it because of the kids, at times I don't. And here you can see that our beef is very fried now. What should I say here? Fried. It's well fried now. And in my pan, in the same pan I used for the beef, I just added my pepper mix, the onion and the pepper blended together. I just added it. I didn't want to dice my onion because I don't like seeing it in this recipe. I don't know, it's like me. At times I don't like seeing onion. I mean, onion in my food. I don't really like it. And the kids, they don't like it at all. So that's why I blended it. Yes, and now I'm just adding the vegetables. And this part I'm going to be doing step by step until everything is well combined together. And I did add some meat stock. You don't have to do that. Yes, I just added a little because I did taste and there was not enough salt, and yeah, so I added that. If you like this recipe and you've watched up to this point, please do give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. So now I'm just going to be taking out the vegetables and adding my spaghetti step by step because I don't want to pour everything at a time. So like you can see what I'm doing here, I'm going to be adding everything step by step so that it will be well combined. I just allowed my vegetable to steam for just a minute because I like it when it's still very crunchy, and that way there's still a lot of vitamins. Exactly. So just a minute, yes, and it's still very crunchy. This is the part we now mix everything together. Yeah. And at the end, we get a very delicious meal. Let me know in the comment section, will you be trying this recipe, or how do you make yours? Do you use chicken? Yes, I know you can use chicken and turkey. I don't know about fish. I don't know. So tell me, how would you be making yours? With chicken or beef? Let me know in the comment section. So now you see our meal is ready, looking so colorful and delicious. So now comes the fun part, tasting the meal. So let's take a taste of the food we made. As you can see, it's looking really, really delicious. Yes. And I love when my vegetables is still very crunchy. And I'm going to and I'm going to be stepping it down with super malt. Yeah, I love my super malt. Cheers. So let's take the first bite. Really nice. At least I love eating my spaghetti. Because the truth is, I don't really like spaghetti that much. But when I make it this way, I like it. I'm not a fan of spaghetti, but when it's like this, then I'm a fan of spaghetti. Crunchy and delicious. And my kids love spaghetti. I'm sure it's with all kids. Kids love spaghetti. Yeah, this is really nice. Delicious. It's so good. The vegetables still very crunchy. And you can make this recipe with any protein of your choice. Chicken, chicken breast, of course, or turkey breast. It goes really good for it. And with the green pepper, you can use just one type. I had the 3 types, so I used it. You don't have to go around searching for the green, yellow, and so on. Use the one you have at home. And this is a very fast meal. Once the spaghetti is done, the rest is easy breezy. I hope you enjoyed watching this with me, the cooking and the tasting of the food, and I hope you'll be trying it out. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, share my video, and you are welcome. My name is Julia. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to my videos. I really do appreciate that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to your loved ones and friends. They might want to try out this recipe. And I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.